Look at all those collections.
Yeah.
Today we're going to do a toy review challenge. Hi guys, like this. So he does this first, and then do. There we go. What? I actually can put arm, and you can just wiggle the leg.
No!
Yeah.
No!
This
no!
guy.
No!
Okay.
No!
I am Carnage.
We are Venom.
Alright, what are we gonna do next?
So we're gonna soak. But first, we actually need to put everything in order. And Dad, can you help me?
It's okay, just we'll do it. Go get another one.
Okay. So let's go. So comment down, who do you want? They're still underground. So who do you think? What should you choose? If you just want to see under, here's Amazing March. And here's some people that you don't know, but it's okay, we can show you. So comment down, who do you want? And I'll check, okay? And then we're gonna go to my dad's favorite thing, Deadpool. Okay, we're running out of space. What if we just put this GoPro here and then put everything behind the camera? And the sword and his body. So Deadpool is the incredible person. He is strong. He doesn't die. Well, I'm not gonna tell you like the other one, like Figma. So okay. So let's open this. I mean, Daddy will open it, not let's. Press on the like button or else we will cancel it. Dun dun dun. Just don't worry about that, okay? So guys, you can take this out. And you wanna, so I'm just gonna show you. See it? So it's like Deadpool shooting. And he's holding his knife on his mouth. So let's just put it back in.
Can you show it in the camera?
Yeah. I can't put this. Can you put it? What is this? Is this Spider-Man? Leave a comment. What do you think? What is it?
It's a stand.
Stand for what?
For his feet, so he can stand.
Why is there tape then?
I haven't used it.
So we're just going to Deadpool. He has one face, and you can change his eye if you want to see You can. So you see he has all the things. That's why Daddy likes him. Don't you? Okay, so we have to open this carefully. I have a Deadpool like him, but not you can change his eyes and things. Okay. Looking a little dirty, but that's okay. So let's put everything on and you want to see how it looks. And I don't want to scratch his back or anything. So he has a... Why is there longer swords if he already has swords? Oh, this is just... See? This is fake. So that's why it has that, So it has this little sword that you saw, that I showed you the box. These are called cantes.
Katana.
Katana.
Say it again. This is called?
This is called katana. That's why I don't know.
Japanese sword.
It's
Samurai
a Japanese sword.
Samurai sword.
And it looks like the stars on mine looks red, but it looks black. So I like more details. So you want to see the guns? Remember you just saw that in the picture? Well, okay. Before we have to do that, we have to just pop out the guns. And my dad doesn't let me put on. I mean, like, everything is here. I mean, like, he's already detailed. How about his knife? Can you even take this off? This knife, Dad? No, you can't. That'll be super cool, but my other one has the, you can open this. You can take this gun out.
Let me see.
Oh, don't you dare, Dad. You know it's gonna break, Dad.
Yeah, it won't come off.
It won't come off, Dad. Okay, Dad, I wanna put, he always says chimichangas. He likes eating chimichangas. Okay, so let's put on the guns first. Look at this. He's honing it. Wait. Okay, wait. Okay, so you see all these bodies? He looks like a little bit ill. So first, if he opens his mask, he's ugly. But when he's wearing his mask, you will like it. Like, maybe. So if you have guns, that means to attack enemies and start a race. And then it might fall down to him. And then look, wasted. So guys, we will do 2 guns at a time. And let's see if you like it. So I just want to play it. I mean, like, why not? think that's it, guys. Okay, bye. Hey, stop! Hi, guys. Do you want to look at my new Deadpool pose, which is on the box? I just copied it for a reason. And you can do whatever with your Deadpool. And we're gonna do another toy review with just Lobot. So now we're full, I think, because okay, we are gonna choose.
No!
Yeah.
No!
This
No!
guy.
No!
Okay.
No!
This guy is a big fellow. Still here. So, Carnage. So we're gonna open this.
I am Carnage.
And we're gonna do Venom too. Okay, so who do you like more, Venom or Carnage?
We are Venom.
Okay, so mommy likes Carnage, and I like Venom. So you can choose in the comments. And I need my daddy's help. Come here, Dad. Because Daddy likes it and I like it. So first, it's taking a little time. After 10,000 years. Oh, this plastic. Here's Venom. His tongue. Lick it. Oh. So I'm gonna open this. Just wait, guys. Just wait. Here's his tongue. So we're gonna do a pose after we open this, so we can do a awesome pose. Okay, Daddy, can you open this one? So Venom has all these tentacles, and he can change his hand. If you want him like to be more awesome with the pose. So Carnage is different. He can change into any hands except for Venom. Venom can do that in the movie, but Venom can't change his hands. And Dad, can you take off his head? No, you take this off. Then why is there another one? And Daddy's gonna change it while Carnage is here. Amazing. Guys, it says the amazing Spider-Man. What is Spider-Man? So guys, it says the amazing Spider-Man. What is spider? Spider, not spider. Guys, it's like my mom's favorite character, Peter. This is Peter. Okay, let's just put it down. Here is the second one. We need to open the first, not the second. Yikes. They're all hard. And here it goes. Here's some silver. I'm just organizing it because I just messed it up. Okay, don't worry about it. So here is Carnage. Where's that slicey thing? Oh. Okay, so you see all the weapons, right? So we're gonna change his hands into Mighty. Dad? Wait. And then we're gonna change his hands. Then, okay. Here's this fighting Venom and Carnage. It's very awesome, but not too awesome. Let's put all the boxes in the back. And then get this. Guys, so the most part is I like this blades and I want everything on, but so I think I'm gonna do this and this, guys. This and this. And then let's try it by ourselves. So hard. So guys, we're gonna do a fight, but not scratching. Okay? So
Yeah.
shing shing. So guys, I think you will like it. Please subscribe to Marvin Miraflor's name, and bye. My hand! Peace. What? No one wins. Peace.
Hi guys, we're back. And as you guys can see, it's nighttime. And this little man is still messing with all my stuff. And he's about to open the fourth box. What are we opening today?
So we're opening Spider-Man, my favorite. I already said that Deadpool is my favorite. Actually, both of them. As you guys can tell, it's still night. Look, it's Spider-Man. Okay, so right. So as you can see, this is like his logo. But look, this one is more stronger. I mean, like, who just see a fat belly like Lolo and with tiny legs? Comment down below. Okay. I just didn't wear this. Don't worry about that. Okay. So that's it. I mean, like, you can pose him, whatever, change what he's doing, and I think that'll be it, guys. Short video when it's night. Bye. So here's all the things, as you can see. And I don't know what's this. I mean, like, come on, everyone knows this. I mean, like, I don't know this, but come on, everyone knows it. Comment down below. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro! Bye. Oh, sorry. I saw you. It's okay. I'm alive. I'm an angel. Prank. Dead. Right. We win! Okay, everyone's outnumbered. Should I actually take a break? Okay. I'm gonna drink some tea. Drink. Perfecto. I guess I'll sleep in the sewer. I'm gonna die. Shing! But I still all the stream. My baby. I need someone to sleep with me. The spirit is still on me. I'm still a kid. Wasted. Okay, that will be it for the playset. Bye.
Hey guys, if you guys like that video, make sure you hit that like button and drop a comment, and make sure you turn that notification on so you get all the most latest update videos that I'll be posting. See you guys there.